Class. A category of objects, the class defines all the common properties of the different objects that belong to it. Encapsulation. The process of combining elements to create a new entity. A procedure is a type of encapsulation. Abstraction. The process of picking out, abstracting, common features of objects and procedures. Inheritance. Inheritance allows subclasses to use attributes from parent classes. Polymorphism allows programmers to use methods of the same name but with different objects. Modularity. Modularity is the extent to which a software or web application may be divided into smaller modules. Domain separation. This allows you to separate data, processes, and administrative tasks into logical groupings called domains. Layering. This uses classes that share the same module dependencies with other modules, implying that they can be used as a sort of layer. Clustering. The task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that the objects in the same group are more similar to each other than those in other groups. Process isolation, a form of data hiding which protects running threads of execution from using each other's memory. Least privilege. A given object should assume as little as possible about the structure or properties of anything else. Open design. According to this principle, the security architecture and design of a system should be made publicly available. Data hiding. Concealing a lower level process from a higher level process. Simplicity. The lack of complexity allows systems designers and programmers to identify unwanted access paths. Minimization. Having the least functionality necessary in a program or device. Confidentiality. An expectation for the entity entrusted with data to keep it secret. Integrity. It's an expectation for the entity entrusted with data to only allow authorized modifications to it. Availability. Security actions that ensure that data is accessible to authorized users. Information restriction. Information restriction complements information hiding. Instead of hiding certain methods, we make them public but restrict their use. Structural induction. This essentially means one thing begets the next, and you can go from top to bottom in a program.